From the Narcotics Control Bureau office, that's the NCB or the Narcotics Control Bureau office in Mumbai. Had to cut out of that interview to get you pictures of the NCB team that landed in Mumbai from Delhi. Looking at the drugs angle, 20 people on their list. 20 people on their list who will be questioned in the course of the next few days, will be examined. Include Rhea Chakrabarti, including Shovik, including some top names from Bollywood, including stars and also PR agencies, top PR agencies that are owned by top Bollywood stars, and also people who may have links with politicians or politicians themselves. All of these people will be examined in the course of the next few days. Now, that's a confirmation that's coming in. First pictures of the Narcotics Control Bureau office in Mumbai. While I stay with these pictures, taking a quick response also from Savio. Savio, we're expecting some big names to emerge. We're not taking the names now, but we are saying some big names could emerge in the next few days in this investigation.
Well, that's not going to be surprising, Niranjan. Like I said before, Bollywood and drugs is like peas and carrots. They're always going to go hand in hand. And it's about time that the government of India breaks down and cracks down on the drug nexus with Bollywood, the underworld nexus with Bollywood. And right now, in light of the fact and the mysterious circumstances under which Sushant Singh Rajput has been murdered, it is giving the government of India the most opportune moment to crack down on the evils that emerge and link to Bollywood. And I won't be surprised that you will have many big names coming out within Bollywood and their PR agencies.
Yeah, in fact, I have a breaking news update now that Indrajit Chakrabarti has been called by the Narcotics Control Bureau or the NCB. Indrajit Chakrabarti's son and daughter, that's Rhea and Shovik. There are chats that we exposed, evidence available to show that both of them dealt with substances, narcotic substances, didn't just deal with them, rather consumed them. They even peddled them, bought large quantities. Let's take a break and come back with the details. Indrajit Chakrabarti has been brought to the Enforcement Directorate office. Officials from narcotics departments also present. The story is getting interesting. Stay tuned. Indrajit Chakrabarti, father of Rhea, is being examined by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Rather, will be examined anytime now. NCB or the Narcotics Control Bureau team, which landed from Delhi, is expected to question him on the links and what he knows about this. Does he know more? Now, those are the officials of the Narcotics Control Bureau who are at the Enforcement Directorate office in South Mumbai. And we are told that he's being quizzed. That is, Rhea's father is being quizzed. He's being examined. Let me go across to Pradeep Bhandari joining us from the Enforcement Directorate office with more details. Pradeep, what more are you picking up?
पंकज की ये जो आप सामने देख सकते हैं, ये जो सामने जो बिल्डिंग दिख रही है, ये जो सामने बिल्डिंग आपको दिख रही है जो एचपी के पेट्रोल पंप के पास में, वो नारकोटिक्स का ऑफिस है। तो दोनों आमने सामने हैं। तो ये बिल्कुल हो सकता है कि ईडी जो है वो भी पूछताछ करे इंद्रजीत चक्रवर्ती से, और अगर नारकोटिक्स को लगता है तो वो भी इंद्रजीत चक्रवर्ती से सवाल पूछ सकती है।
Okay, we'll go back to Pradeep Bhandari. Just lost his audio there, but those are the visuals of the Narcotics Control Bureau officers as well, and in their office after they landed in Mumbai. In fact, as we speak, we're getting in more details. We're getting in more details of the... Okay, Pradeep Bhandari is back. Pradeep, let me come across to you. What's the latest update that you have while we stay on these pictures?
जी, ये सब मिले हुए हैं। आप सुशांत के घर पर मौजूद हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा डेवलपमेंट है, ज्योत्सना।
Okay, again lost Pradeep Bhandari there, but the breaking news update that we have is that the NCB or the Narcotics Control Bureau is examining Rhea Chakrabarti's father. Those are details that we have, and we had pictures of the NCB team as well, and these are live pictures that are coming in. Live pictures coming in as we stay on the story of Rhea Chakrabarti's father being examined by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Those are details we're picking up from the investigation. And the big story is on the slander campaign of Slander campaign of Rhea Chakrabarti that has begun. Slander campaign. She's gone on national media, PR media, to slander Sushant Singh Rajput. Meanwhile, those are pictures coming in from Mumbai, where Rhea's father is currently present. We're waiting for more details. And while we stay on these these pictures, we'll also tell you more about the slander campaign. Rhea's father has been examined, but on the slander campaign, let me go across to a panel of experts. In fact, as we stay on the breaking news updates, just going across to a panelist as well. Subhash, in fact, looking at the kind of response that we are seeing on the story, over 30,000 people responding to the Republic TV poll, and 95% of them say that Rhea Chakrabarti must be arrested and not given a chance to slander or vilify Sushant Singh Rajput.
Niranjan, you take it from me that there's no doubt that she will not be arrested. She has to be arrested. She will be arrested. But I think, in my assessment, I can tell you from my experience that the CBI is the agency which doesn't normally take recourse to effect arrest in the very beginning, at the very outset. There are many cases where charge sheets are filed, accused are not arrested, but this will not be a case of that type. This will be a case, certainly, which is much more things to happen in the few days to come. Just see. Now, this is for the first time I can tell you that there are so many investigating agencies which are involved. Half a dozen investigating agencies are involved, trying to perhaps investigate the case which is shrouded in mystery. And in the fulcrum of the center is Sushant Singh Rajput. So therefore, involvement of so many agencies speaks in volume, and the indication which I get, the intuition which I get, that we are possibly heading for a cleanup of the Bollywood, in respect whereof even I made a request, even I filed a petition to the Supreme Court of India. So I made a request that, look here, there is so many things which are happening, and then the ways and means which I've suggested three things. One is to clean up the Bollywood by involving NIA into it, in the whole investigation, whole gamut of their transactions, shady transactions with the terrorist underworld, mafias, drug lords, and those who are involved in the money laundering. So therefore, a whole lot of money coming into the Bollywood, and this is how the films are made. Sex racket, drugs, and then people like, talented actors like Sushant Singh Rajput, their lives are either eliminated, they are killed, or they are made to disappear in the thin air from the Bollywood. And the Bollywood is controlled by and large by the same people who have been at the helm of affairs for the past more than 2 decades. So therefore, the ways and means which I have suggested, clean up, 1, 2, that there has to be decentralization of Bollywood. Why Bollywood should always be only in Mumbai? Why not be divided into 4 zones, east, west, north, south? Divided into 4 zones, so that every talented actress of my country, every countryman, gets a fair opportunity of showing their talents on the silver screen. Why should it only be in the Bollywood, in Mumbai? So that the drug cartel and all other underworld, they have a chance to dominate this industry. If this is centralized, that will not happen. And the third thing which I have suggested is that let us have a regulator for Bollywood as well. Why can't we have a regulator if we have regulator for everyone? There are regulators for a market regulator, for SEBI. For us also, there is a bar council for lawyers. For chartered accountants, there is a regulator. There is a regulator for doctors, engineers. Why should there be no regulator for Bollywood? Because Bollywood plays a very important role, please understand, in our society, in our country.